Now, working in, Paul Chet came up with this terminology, working in and working out. And what that basically means is working in is energy in, and working out is energy expenditure. So anything that we do that actually causes us to expend energy means that's a working out activity. For some, it could be going socializing. For others, it could be working out in the gym. None of it's bad. It's just that if you're in the acute stage of recovery, your capacity is quite low. Therefore, you do not want to do too much outward work right now. We need to do inward work to restore energy in your body. This is the case where you really listen to your body and you really honor the rest that it's asking for. Okay. If you need to sleep, you need to sleep. Now, obviously, there's some rules with that. We want to try and sleep. If you're sleeping during the day, we want to sleep between the hours of 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. at its latest, because we want to be able to see light before the end of the day so we can trick our minds or get our brains to remember, oh yeah, by the way, I still have to sleep tonight. If you sleep too late during the day, it's going to totally fuck up, excuse my French, your circadian rhythm at night, and it's totally going to get your sleep cycle out of whack. We don't want that. I've had to help a lot of clients reverse their sleep cycle over time, and it's a hard thing to do if you get into that habit of falling asleep really late at night. I'm talking 4 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning. Sometimes I've had clients who couldn't fall asleep till 6, 7 a.m. in the morning and have had to totally reverse their sleep cycle. So if you are going to sleep throughout the day, make sure it's between the hours of 10 and 3 o'clock. You know, whether it's an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, it doesn't really matter. Like I said, you've got to really just listen to your body in this stage. You don't want to push it here. The moment you'll be able to progress and move forwards is when you restore energy in your body. But you running from an empty tank ain't going to help anything.